tell me about what is Tai Chi. I mean, explain to the viewers.
So Tai Chi or Tai Chi Chuan uh, comes from Chinese martial arts from 300, 400 years ago. Uh, it started, but what makes Tai Chi different as a martial art is that it's what we call internal martial art, meaning that you do not use overt force in the sense of you don't tense your muscles to create power.
Okay.
Ordinarily, in most martial arts, in everyday life, if we want to do something, we tense our muscles in order to get power or strength. Tai Chi relies on relaxation, loosening of the muscles,
Okay.
but having the right posture because your body alignment uh, is important for generating power from your feet. Um,
Okay.
Anybody who really knows martial arts will tell you that power doesn't come from your arms or your shoulders. It really comes from your legs and your hips. That's
Okay.
where the power is. Okay. So we focus mostly on movement. How do you move your body in a way that allows it to generate power? So everything is done very, very slowly. You practice very, very slowly and you relax as much as you can and let go of your muscles as much as you can. Um, but you focus on your posture, your movement, your energy. Tai Chi has a lot to do with energy. So the word Chi
Chi.
is basically refers to energy.
And
The name Tai Chi Chuan means grand ultimate fist.
grand
Chuan
ultimate.
suggests fist or fighting in Chinese. Uh, Tai Chi suggests grand ultimate, the highest form.